Raichur district in the northeastern part of Karnataka is home to thousands of children who attend school beating a lot of challenges. For many of them, education is not a continuation of family tradition. It is the beginning of one. In several government schools here, a large number of students are first-generation learners. Their parents often had limited access to formal education. For these children, the classroom is where they encounter the world of science, ideas, and possibilities, but understanding science through textbook alone can be difficult. Concepts remain distant when they are explained only through words. Recognizing this challenge, an initiative supported by the SBI Foundation and SBI Mutual Funds and implemented by Prayoga Institute of Education Research is working to strengthen science learning across 12 government schools in Raichur district.
ಪ್ರಯೋಗ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯವರು ರಾಯಚೂರು ತಾಲೂಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟು 13 ಶಾಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಟೀಚರ್ನ ವಾರಕ್ಕೆ 2 ದಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಕುಳಿತು ಪ್ರಯೋಗಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ನೀವು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಮೂಡಿಸುವಂಥ ಕ್ರಿಯಾತ್ಮಕ ಅಂಶಗಳನ್ನು ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯವರು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು.
As a part of this effort, lab stations and structured science courseware have been introduced in these schools, allowing students to explore scientific ideas through hands-on experiments. The program currently reaches schools including Government Model Higher Primary School, D. Yedlapura, Government Model Higher Primary School, Chikkasogur, Government Model Higher Primary School, Udamagal Khanapura, Government Higher Primary School, Mamadapura, Government Higher Primary School, Marchital, Government Model Higher Primary School, Station Bazaar, Upper Government Model Higher Primary School, Nellahal, Government Model Higher Primary School, Yaklaspura, Government Model Higher Primary School, Hunasi Halhuda, Government Model Higher Primary School, Kalmala, Karnataka Public School, Matamari, and Government Model Higher Primary School, Garaladini. Across these classrooms, science is now being explored through observation, experimentation, and discussion. Here, students measure, mix, observe changes, and record what they notice. They work in groups, compare results, and try to explain what they see. Instead of simply receiving answers, they begin to investigate questions.
ನಾವು 6ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗಿಂದ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ಮತ್ತು ಟೀಚರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆಸ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಯೋಗಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವೇ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಹಂಚ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. ಅವರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ.
This approach helps students connect scientific ideas to what they experience directly. Abstract concepts start to make sense when they are seen in action. Teachers play an important role in this process. They attend teacher empowerment programs conducted by Prayoga's Academic Excellence and Research Team. They guide students through experiments, encourage questions, and help them reflect on their observations. The classroom becomes a place where students actively participate in learning rather than only listening. Teachers often notice that students who were earlier hesitant now show greater willingness to engage with the subject. Interest in science has begun to grow. Students show curiosity about the outcomes of experiments and discuss their ideas with classmates. For many first-generation learners, this experience strengthens their confidence in approaching scientific concepts. The shift may appear small in a single classroom, but across 12 schools, it represents an important step towards improving how science is learned. With the support of SBI Foundation and SBI Mutual Funds, and through the efforts of Prayoga, experiential learning is gradually becoming part of everyday classroom practice in these 12 schools of Raichur. When students are given the opportunity to experiment, question, and explore, science becomes more than a subject in a textbook. This combination creates a beautiful narrative circle. Start with curiosity, end with discovery.